Hi, science classes. We're jumping into our next lab today. I haven't put my coat on yet, but I will have it on in class. So we're jumping into our next lab. This one's entitled You've Got Potential. I'm expecting it to go for the next 3 days. And a quick note, though, actually on Friday's going to be a digital learning day. You're going to have a guest teacher in class, but you will still have NEWA and Tube vlogs. I'm going to a conference down at Illinois State University, so I will be off campus that day. I do expect that you will stay on task and get everything done that you are assigned, and that everything will go as smooth as it typically does, if not smoother. My intention is to leave a Chromebook set up front so you can actually even play the vlog here on the main screen. I think we may test that theory out probably tomorrow or Thursday, just to make sure someone in every class knows how to do it. But it should be all set. Like a lot of your teachers will leave a bell ringer just paused on the board. I'll just leave the YouTube video up and paused on the board. Or alternatively, I may do both of these. It'll just be shared out via Google Classroom, and then you can view it that way. I'm thinking there's going to be an intro thing and there's going to be a teaching thing on Google Classroom, but I haven't firmed all the details yet. It's only Tuesday. So at any rate, our lab for today, You've Got Potential. Our objective is I can compare and contrast stored energy, formerly known as potential energy, with action energy, formerly known as kinetic energy. If you were not here yesterday, you missed our notes on what the difference is between potential energy and kinetic energy. Please make sure to go ahead and look on with somebody else and take a look at their notes, get them copied into your note sheet that was shared out on Google Classroom yesterday so that you can have that available to you, because those are going to be useful for your upcoming test. And so I just wanted to go ahead and point that out. For our You've Got Potential lab, it's going to go through a series of activities. For today, we're going to start off taking a look at a video of when a new skate park opened in Chicago. And so we have a warm-up for today, a we do, introducing Chicago's world-class Grant Park Skate Park. We're going to be watching this video. It's only about 3 minutes long. It's going to give a little description of how they built it, that kind of thing. And then we're going to go back and take a look at it again so that you can be paying attention to times when the motion of the athletes, the skaters, changes and note what actually happens to them. This is going to help us building into the activities for this specific lab, because as you get through into the activities, you're going to find one of them is taking a toy car and trying to get it to go through a loop, go down a ramp and up a ramp on the other side, and then hopefully get to the point where you're trying to go through a loop as well. So that is the reason that we want to be paying attention to so closely to all of these things. For today, a little less interactive. After the video, we're going to be taking a look at organizing some images. You're going to have to try to figure out how those would be organized. So I'm going to turn that over to you guys when we get to that portion. But for now, let's take a field trip down to Grant Park, Chicago. Here we go.